So today we are going to look on how to make use of usemap attribute. Usemap attribute is used to make a specific area of an image clickable. Remember yesterday we learned on our last level we learned how to insert our images, apply auth message, and also make that image clickable. But in that tutorial, all the areas of that image is clickable, but this time we are going to make some particular areas clickable, and to make that happen we make use of usemap attribute under image. Also, we have three forms of usemap. We have, it can be in rectangle, it can be in circle, it can be in polygon. Then to use to make use then to make it happen in rectangular form, we have to make sure that we detect the coordinates of that rectangular shape, which is the coordinate of top left and the coordinate of what of the bottom left. The coordinate is in x and y axis, means that in rectangle we are going to have four numbers. In circles we will have three numbers. We will have the coordinates um, in x and y from the center of the circle, and also we have the radius of the circle. Then in polygon we will have the coordinates of all points. Example, in triangle, which is the first polygon, we will have six numbers. The coordinate of one point is 2, the coordinate of the other point making it 4, and the coordinate of the last point making it 6 points. So we have an image we want to use. This is the image we want. The first one we make it a rectangular, or the second one we make use of, okay, maybe then polygon, the which is maybe we use triangle. The last one maybe we use circle attribute to make use of that. So let's see how we can perform those actions and make all these clickable, linked to their various websites. So then to do that, also you have to get a software or a tool to get your coordinates. So the software we are going to use to get our coordinate is GIMP. Also, then Photoshop can get your coordinates. So, but we are going to make use of GIMP to get our coordinates. How can you get your coordinates? If you open your image in GIMP, you click any area, which is you touch any area, you look at the down, you will see 75 to 31 in PS. So they are in peso. Then we say that in rectangle we will have our top left coordinate, it is 77 to 32. You will get to your bottom right 158 332. Also, we want to use a polygon in this one, so we'll have 3 points, maybe polygon like a triangle. We'll get a point here, which is 314 217. We'll get a point here, which is 251 333. We get a point here, which is 366 336. We'll use a circle here, so we'll get the center of the circle, which is 509 278. We'll now measure the radius of the circle, which is where you will get from the top of your ruler. So you can see from 500 to 600, but you look at your movement, may make this maybe around that 40 or 30. Okay, so once you know this thing, let's put down our structures. How can we put down our structures? Let's have our HTML. Then also let's have our head. Then let's put some little title. Use of usemap. Then inside our, let's create a body tag. So everything will go inside the body tag. So let's insert the image first. This is image. We are sourcing the image now. Then we want to make use of that logo image. So this is what we have. So we have inserted the image. So but the image is not yet clickable. No, you can see no. Okay, so let's go back. So let's now apply the use map attribute. So we'll talk about use map. So inside the use map, we are going to create a div, we are going to create a div in which we are going to map out the area that will be clickable. So we'll talk about, we create it with hash, maybe let's call it logo, hash logo. Then that is that. So nothing is happening here. We then, to perform the action, we need to make an extra code for that image above. So that extra code will perform all that is needed. So how can we do that? So we're now calling our map tag. In that map tag, we have an attribute shape. In that map tag, we have an attribute shape. Yes, we have an attribute name. So this thing map. So we have a map tag. Yes, our map tag. We have an attribute name. Yes, then inside the double quotation, we have to now input the name of our map, which is logo. Okay, so we have logo. Then we close our map. So now inside the map tag now goes in the areas we want to make clickable. So what we ask ourselves, what are the areas? So we use area tag. In that area, so what do we need? We need the shape of it. What shape? We say that the first one will be a rectangle. So let's have a rectangle. So now inside that rectangle, what are the coordinates that we need? So the coordinates, as we say, let's go back and pick our two coordinates, 4 numbers. So we need here, which is 75232. So 75232. So let's go back and pick the bottom right. Bottom right is 158325, 158325, 158325. So now we have input our coordinates. So then the next one we are going to input is our link, where it is going. When you click it, where will it go? So let's say that's let's say it will go to Instagram. So then we close it. So let's see what happens in all these our actions. So if we live preview, you can see none here is not clickable, but when we move into that line of rectangle, you can see it changed to a hand, means that that area is not clickable. So the area we picked is non-clickable. So when we then click on it, it will move to, so when we click on it, you see the area. When we click on it, so you can see it will just open an Instagram page. So why other areas are not clickable? Okay, let's continue. That's wonderful work. So the next one, we want to make the other area, we say we are going to use a rectangle. So you now define your area again, your shape attribute. Then since it is a triangle, we use polygon. In that polygon we define the coordinates. So let's go back and pick our coordinates, three coordinates, which is 6 numbers we have here. Let's pick top here, which is 3 12 211, 3 12 211, 3 12 comma 211. So let's pick the, you know how you form your triangles. So this one is 2523, 252326, 252326, 252252, so then the last one, so where is it? So the last one, let's pick our right here. We have formed our triangles now. This one is 368 327, 368 327, 368 327. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's close it and now check what really happened in live preview. So did we save? And let's check our, okay, let's link it where it will go. Sorry, down. That is a Facebook. So want it to go to facebook.com. Okay, so let's see what it will be. So you can see, as you move in triangular form, you can see some area there. Let's click it and see. You will see the area that is a triangle. You can see it. See the triangle. Okay. That's beautiful. So it will open your Facebook immediately. So let's apply the last one, which is our circle. So we have the area attribute, area and shape attribute. So we have our circle. We talk about the coordinates of the circle. Or inside the circle, we say that we are going to pick the two numbers. The two numbers will not be separated. The last one, which is the radius of the circle, will be separated. So I think, what do we mean? How can we do that action? So let's see. Let's go to GIMP. So we touch at our area of a circle. In our area of a circle, we have 510,279. 510,279. So I will just write 510. I will space 279. So the other one, I will give a comma to put my radius of a circle. So how can I will just say from here, from that 500 to some point, my radius of that circle, I need maybe just maybe 40. So let's say 40, my radius of the circle. So where do we want it to go? Where do we want it to go? So we link it to that is a WhatsApp. WhatsApp is okay. Let's say we have HTTPS, that is your web whatsapp.com. Okay, so we close it. So now I think we have linked all the images. Let's see the actions go, especially the last one, which is a circle. Or you can see when you move, let's click it so that you will not see the circle it chooses. You can see the circle it chooses. Okay, so that is the thing. There's we have, okay, there's a okay mix up code here. So okay, so you can see how to make some areas clickable. So this is HTML5. It has so many powerful features. So when we click on it, you can see our WhatsApp web we open. Okay, so that's that. So we have that. What do we have? We have the three areas we make to be clickable from other areas. Then if you notice, other areas are not clickable. Some areas, if you notice, all these images are not clickable. So but when you move inside here, it is in form of a square, here in form of a triangle, here in form of a circle. So thank you so much. This is great. So wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.